Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blinking orange or yellow light on your Amazon Firestick remote. And this is an indication that it's just simply in the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see it like that. If you just double press the home button, it should go away. As you can see, it just went away. Now there's other things that we can do, like we could hold down the rewind button and the right button for like 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Then we can let go and press this. I'll put into the troubleshooting mode for the remote, and then you can just press this and it'll exit out again. Otherwise, just simply turn around the remote and remove the batteries, and that'll stop the blinking light too. So a very easy solution there. Otherwise, we can also reset the remote. And to reset the mode, we want to hold down the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and then the left button. I'll hold this down for about 15 seconds. And then we want to remove the batteries, and we can put the batteries back in, and the remote should be reset. So after about 15 seconds, just turn around, remove the batteries. And then typically you want to unplug the Amazon Fire Stick from the wall or the TV from the wall, and then plug it back in and put the batteries back in when the Fire Stick restarts to the home screen. And then put this back in, press the home button, and it should reconnect. Now if it doesn't reconnect, to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, just hold down the home button and it will induce the blinking orange yellow light that you saw before, just like this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.